The next connector I'll talk to you about is called an IEC connector, or International Electrical Connector. If you've ever hooked up your TV or a desktop computer or a cable box, almost any kind of electronic, you've encountered an IEC connector. An international electrical connection is almost always part of an adapter. Since electronics now are made worldwide and shipped all over the world, different countries have different connectors, right? The UK connectors are different than US connectors, and Japanese connectors are different, European connectors are different. And so rather than make electronics with all of these different connectors on their on their plugs, on their wires, what they've adopted is an IEC connector. IEC connector is rated at 100 volts to 250 volts, so it conforms to all the different voltages that you may encounter throughout the world, and it allows manufacturers now to create or to produce their product, right, with a single common connector on the device, and then just ship an adapter. And I'm sure that you've encountered an adapter like this, which is an Edison connector to an IEC connector. And it's just an inexpensive way to be able to ship equipment internationally, and just include a reasonably priced adapter rather than having to manufacture each individual product based on where it's going in the world to conform to whatever plug is needed. You find it on projectors and video equipment and audio equipment and laptops. And IEC comes in this is maybe the more common form that you'll encounter in the US, but IEC connectors come in a wide range of connectors. Right? Your laptop, if it has a power supply, it may have a 3-wire IEC where the pins are formed in a triangle, or you may just have a 2-wire IEC cable where you just have the 2 prongs. And there are polarized and non-polarized plugs, just like in the Edison version. And then this row across the bottom are the kind that we typically see in the US. For our kinds of, well, for most electronics anyway. So these are the different kinds of IEC connectors. Again, it's a way to speed up manufacturing and to ease configuration challenges with trying to make electronics that are compatible worldwide. So that's an IEC connector.